KTN News, Lugari, Kakamega.
To corridors of justice now, and 3 rights groups have moved to court to sue 3 prosecutors over the bungled Kimwarer and Arror dams cases. The groups, including Katiba Institute, Transparency International and Africa Center for Open Governance, have sued prosecutors for allegedly bungling the dam cases that saw former National Treasury CS Henry Rotich and his co-accused acquitted of any wrongdoings. The prosecutors in question are Geoffrey Obiri and Oliver Mureithi. The organizations want the court to hold the 2 personally liable if the former accused persons pursue damages for malicious prosecution. The Kimwarer and Arror Dam saga remains alive despite suspects being let off the hook. 3 human rights bodies have today moved to court and sued the prosecutors who handled the matter, accusing them of bungling the case. They want the 3 to bear the burden should former National Treasury CS Henry Rotich and his co-accused persons move to court seeking damages over the dropped graft case. But even as they filed the suit in court, lawyer Dunstan Omari came to the defense of the Office of Director of Public Prosecutor and termed the suit as misplaced and an attempt in futility.
The Constitution in Article 2 provides that you cannot challenge the Kenyan Constitution before any court of law. That is the principle in Article 2. Article number 2 buttresses the position of the Director of Public Prosecution in Article 157. You cannot sue the DPP in any constitutional court, in any court, with a view on the question of his job description.
Rotich was acquitted in the case about 2 weeks ago and termed the dam cases political. While speaking Tuesday at his home in Kaptagat, Singishu County, Rotich termed as fiction corruption allegations made against him, further stating he had forgiven those that schemed his arrest and graft charges.
Colleagues in the previous government, which I know them very well, I knew how the whole thing started and how it was turned political, so I know them. When I was saying they have been ashamed permanently, is exactly what I meant. I want to say so. I've forgiven them. I've forgiven them, but I'll not forget the 2 deaths.
During the verdict, the court criticized the prosecution's handling of the case, noting a lack of diligence from the prosecution side.
I find that there is need to check the unfortunate and reckless habit of the ODPP commencing proceedings which they have no intention of pursuing to its logical conclusion. Such conduct is an affront to the administration of justice and a waste of precious judicial time. It is an insult to the dignity of the court and all the stakeholders involved in the criminal justice.
As another round of judicial show-off is expected to take place over the Arror and Kimwarer dam saga, Kenyans can only hope that the matter will be finalized and that if funds were embezzled, justice be served.